Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to get live Labubu wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to set live Labubu wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 26, so how you can get that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply get the live Labubu wallpaper. So if you want to get the live wallpaper, then you can there are two options. The first option is that you have to simply search for an app that provides that live Labubu wallpaper, and the next option is that you have to simply open the TikTok here, and in TikTok you have to simply search for live Labubu live wallpapers, and after that you have to simply open that wallpaper you want to set as live wallpaper. So here you have to simply click on that, and after that you have to click on that share option, and here will be option available as a live photo. So you have to simply click on that, and after clicking on that your photo will be saved as a live photo. Now if you want to set it as a live wallpaper, then you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to wallpaper, and you have to click on add new wallpaper, and you have to click on live photo, and after that a new kind of option is available. So you have to simply select that photo, and after that a new kind of option is available, and you have to make sure that that photo motion is available as a live wallpaper. So you have to make sure about that, and after that you will be able to set it as a live wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.